Only God knows why it happened this way. He owes us no explanation.
From dust they came, and to dust they returned. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Oh, the carpenter is here with us.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, don't cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. No matter when you're miserable, let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery. From the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums, by the tears of our misery, tears of our misery, tears of our misery, tears of our misery. Alright. If life tries to know, carry and build house. And if life sets you on fire, I beg you remember God. There is a process that every man must go through to fulfill your destiny. You must pass the stage now. I must relate, I must relate, I must relate. Whatever you miserable, let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and suffering. Tears and suffering. Oh yeah. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you're miserable, let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the place.
I am sorry for your loss.
I understand there is still some money to be paid to you. I don't have any money now, but if you'll give me some time, I'll be able to pay you off.
It's fine. Don't worry. Anytime you have it. Huh?
So, what are you going to do with the children?
I don't know yet, Father.
Have you considered giving them out? You can't take care of them by yourself. There's a woman in the church who can help them find houses in the city where they can live as help. I can talk to her about you.
No, I won't have them taken away. My father would never want us to be apart. We will stay together, come what may.
How? I hope you know, now that your father is dead, you cannot continue to stay in this house. Udoye gave him this house because he worked on his farm. And now he's going to get somebody to work on that farm. The person has to stay here. Where will the children go?
Udoye cannot send us away. I'll go see him tomorrow.
Oh, be sensible, my child. You alone cannot take care of the children. And I am just a priest in a small church. There isn't much I can do either.
I will try. We would get something to do. Ikem and I.
Tired and hungry. I can't continue.
Easy. We will soon finish up and get paid. Then we'll get some food. Have some water. You'll feel better. Okay, if you're tired, then you can go sleep, Daisy. I'll finish up here.
No, I'm not tired. Alright.
I know you're tired. Have some water and get some rest before the long day.
Mama, we'll finish up fast if we work together.
Thank you.
There's nothing. I'm hungry. It's not right. It's not my spirit. All that way. Says he will do celebrate. But I work. Let's say you did only a small portion.
I know the body should feed on this floor. But at least you can buy us some food. We'll go to the market before we get back home.
No. We're hungry. We have nothing to eat this morning. It's a long walk to the market and then home.
I'm fine, sir. I'm sorry I haven't paid up the money, but I hope to do so soon.
It's fine. I will wait. Anytime you just me.
Thank you.
But where are you going to?
We are going to the market.
Sister, we're hungry. We have nothing to eat since morning. It's a long walk to the market and then home.
Easy. Okay, in that case, why don't you just come?
When life throws you stone, hurry and get fast. no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you're tears of this innocent child. Wipe away every pain.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Onochi.
Yes.
Who are they?
These are Maziokolo's children. Remember Maziokolo? The one that died the same day with his wife.
Oh, poor children.
Yes. But see, actually, they are very hungry. They've not eaten since morning and they've been walking. So I don't know if you can fix something for them.
Yes, that's not a problem. Come, sit down.
I bet you remember gold. There is a process that every man must go through to fulfill your destiny. You must pass the stage now. I must relate. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you let the rain from heaven wash away every tear and suffering. Tears and suffering. Oh yeah. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you're miserable, let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings of stone.
We can't eat all of this. We have to take some to our and others at home. Auntie, please, can I have a bag? We have to take some to the ones at home.
Are you satisfied? Eh? Okay, see. You who can eat this one, you can finish up with this one. I'll get something you take home. Go?
Okay, Auntie. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
When life throws you stone, carry a built house. If life before you water, carry a bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world.
Thank you for everything. I need to be on my way now. You know, I have to drop them off.
I wish you could stay.
Don't worry, I'll see you soon.
Onoche, you work really hard and you know you don't have to.
Don't worry, it's fine. Bye.
Wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. Got the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery.
It's more important than sorry. But I thank you.
I don't know what to say. You've helped us so much. Thank you.
It's nothing. Just stay safe. Alright, bye.
There is a process that every man must go through.
But we don't have anywhere else to go.
I am sorry you can't continue to live there. I have another family coming to live there who will be working for me. You have 3 days to vacate the property, else you will be thrown out.
My father always spoke good of you.
What makes this angel cry? What makes this angel cry? What makes this angel cry? Everything now. When you're
what do I do? Where do we go from here? Papa? Mama? Why did you have to die? Why did you have to leave us?
Under the rain, under the sun, can only make you stronger. God will hear you. God will hear you. Man will help you. And man will help you out. Can only make you stronger. Become my babies and I know became busy and I know you're so precious. Became busy and I know I'm a city.
Where are the others?
Ekene is sleeping while others are at the back of the house.
Go and call them, hurry.
Okay.
Why?
Since father is dead, and no longer works for Udoye. We can no longer stay here. There's a new family moving in who will be working for him.
So where are we going to stay?
There's an old hut in the outskirts of the village. We'll be going there. It's the only thing I can find.
Udoye should have employed us to work for him. So, how are we going to survive?
It's the planting season. We can go into the neighboring villages and work on a farm. That's the only way I know we can survive. There is nothing I can do, Ikem.
Mama, if it's the only way, we have no other choice, right?
Yes. Let's go pack our things and go out.
Wait. Are we leaving now?
Yes, Ako. Do you rather they throw us out? Come, let's go pack our things and leave. Come here, all of you.
I wanted to ask, when are you going to see Chief Pepper to fix a date for introduction? Am I going to pay the marriage, to perform the marriage rites? Pay dowry, all those things.
Mama, you said you wanted to see me. I thought you had other things to say. Eh? Is that why you still not seeing me this night? Mama, please, I had a very rough day today at work. I need to go and rest.
It's a work. Which work are you talking about? When you go out for a ride in that your jalopy and come back, you call it work. Which half days work? So when people that work come out, you will jump out. Nah, leave work matter. God has given you an opportunity to be comfortable. You're busy talking about work. Let me tell you, if you're not tired of being poor, I am. Olaku cannot wait for you forever. There are other men that need what she has. So grab it with both hands and
Mama, good night.
Hold on.
And this one.
Oh, yeah.
Some people like to suffer. It's called love.
There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor.
I'm fine. I came to give you this. It's all I could get. I'll continue to pay in installments until I'm able to pay off. You've shown us kindness, and I don't want you to see us as ungrateful.
But have you been running? Because you're sweating.
It's a long walk from the outskirts of the village. That's where we live now. The house we lived in belonged to a man our father worked for. He has brought in another person to work for him, so he asked us to leave.
Well, sorry about that. Just wait. Maybe I'll drop you off. Huh? I was supposed to deliver this, but this can wait.
Okay.
Building life in every home. Let's fix this broken system. Let's heal this sickening world. We can make it a better place for every man to have a chance. Ooh. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the weak becomes allergic to defeat, and the strong become...
Mama, you can't live here.
I don't have a choice. There is nowhere else to go.
This is not looking nice under a good weather. What if it starts raining? You all will be drenched in your beds.
It's either this or nothing. This we do until we find a better place.
I'll be on my way. Take care of yourself.
Sending care to your heart. Ooh, let's heal this broken world. Building lives in every home. Love leads the way. Tending love to every...
Not even a smile.
What are you doing here?
Is it wrong for me to visit you? Or are you not happy seeing me?
Well, I have told you not to come to my shop. I told you I will not have time for you. What are you doing here? Besides, I told you I was going to come to your house. So what are you doing here?
That is what you always say. Yes, but you never show up. 3 times you have disappointed me, disrespecting me and my father. Listen, Onoche, I am a woman and I cannot continue to wait for you. Are you not going to defend yourself?
Let me tell you the truth. Your presence here is a big distraction for me. Go home, I will come and see you.
You're not smiling. Ogini.
Mama, I don't understand why Onoche keeps treating me the way he does. As it stands right now, I am not sure he still wishes to go on with this marriage.
Of course he wishes. He will go on with the marriage. What choice? He has no choice.
Why is he not forthcoming? Why hasn't he come to see my father? He puts me to shame whenever he promises to come see my father and then fails, thereby making me a subject of discussion among other maidens. Mama, I don't like you.
How? Nema, I understand how you feel. But don't worry. He's my son. I will talk to him. In short, I will talk to his father to talk to him. Don't don't worry, he must marry you. Mosoria. You are his last bus stop. All rebel, you want to smile now. When you keep your face like this, you chase men. If you smile, your nature will marry you immediately. Just like that. You see, women that want to marry you have to keep smiling. Smile better. That is it. You know, when I was looking for my own husband, I used to smile. I'm telling you, smile can do a lot of things. Bring you husband, bring you fortune, bring you some people that want to spend money. Smile. If one don't chases you like this, he will just pay the dowry immediately. That's how I got my own husband. I used to laugh a lot. Now,
you should talk to your son. You should talk to your son, Ozemena. I don't know what is wrong with him. I don't see why your son will not marry Olako. Eh? And his mate's not married. At least if he gets married to her, she will get us out of this poverty-stricken position. What kind of nonsense is this? His mates are out there with children. An opportunity that is facing him. Most other young boys out there will just grab the thing with both hands. Talk to him more. Let me tell you, I better not die. This one you've suddenly become dumb. But you no. Look at a golden opportunity. Hey, how about yourself? No, my owner's gone. Nonsense.
When life throw you stone, no, hurry up, you pass. If life before you attack, hurry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without your solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now. I beg you, no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must whatever you're miserable. Let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain.
The weather is hot, so I thought you would need water.
Thank you.
I can't thank you enough.
It's nothing. You see, I couldn't allow you guys to stay here the way it was. I was scared that when it rains, it will be very terrible.
That's very kind of you.
Oma, how do you intend to cope with these children? You are but a girl.
I'm not a girl. Not anymore. Life has suddenly made me a woman. A woman with 5 children to take care of. I can only stand up to life and face the responsibility it has placed on me.
You're a strong girl. I am sure they are lucky to have you.
We are lucky to have you too.
Please don't make me blush.
Let me go and see if the food is ready.
Alright.
When life throw you stone, no. Carry a build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just
Kim, where have you been? I've been looking for you everywhere.
I went hunting for rabbits in the king's land, but see what I got.
The king's land? But villagers are not allowed to hunt there.
Mama, I could go in and come out without being seen. This is a nice meat. You love it. Just have a bite.
Please come with me. Come with me.
But the tears of all my misery, tears of all my misery, tears of all my misery, tears of all my misery. Alright.
You moved your truck. Where are you taking it?
Mama, those firewood belong to me. I can take them wherever I want to. But well, since you've asked that, I'm taking them to Omasiri.
Omasiri?
Yes.
You're taking the firewood to Omasiri? Don't you realize that we need firewood in this house for cooking?
Of course, I know. But if you need firewood, you must always get firewood. Huh? But this one's now taking them to Omasiri.
I hope it is not because of that girl that you have refused to go and do introduction for her. Because if it is because of her, hey. Oh. Look at you. You want to throw away a wonderful opportunity of turning this family around because of Omasiri. Let me ask you, have you thought of how to cater for her and those her siblings?
Mama, it's none of your business. How I dare to cater for them is none of your business. When you see those firewood, I need to take you and I need to take them. What can you do?
I am blocking you.
Mama, you need to push me.
Mama, you can't push me.
Mama, you can't even stop me.
I will stop you.
Mama, if you make me angry, I'll just go and bring her and her siblings to this house.
Why do you even intend to cater for her and her siblings?
How I cater for them is none of your business.
But it's my business because you're my son.
Mama, please leave me.
It's not possible.
Mama, please leave me.
I say it's not possible.
Mama, I'll push you.
You push me.
Mama, I'll push you.
Oh my, easy.
I'm sorry. Don't worry, it will heal soon after this.
When life throws you there's no problem in this world.
What happened to him?
He got injured while working on a farm.
Let me see. Oh, thank God it's not a deep cut. Eh? You know what you do? You use hot water. Yes, to clean the surface every morning and night. Give or take, before tomorrow or next, you'll be fine. Sorry, but please next time be careful.
Okay, brother.
Mama, I brought some firewood. Let me go and unload them.
Thank you. Sorry.
He's a good man.
Yes. Yes, he is.
And I think he likes you.
He likes all of us.
Mama, he likes you in a different way.
How do you know that?
The way he looks at you. Father always looks at mother the same way.
Quiet now before he hears you. You talk more than your age.
Don't worry, he won't hear me.
Sorry.
That every man must go through to fulfill your destiny.
I am considering taking Ikem to live with me. He will be my apprentice. That way he will learn the trade.
Thank you so much, Onochi. Thank you.
This is like the first time you're calling me by my name. I think I might have a place for Izzy to stay. That way you have fewer mouths to feed. It's just that I don't know how you will cope with the younger ones.
I'll manage, as long as they're in a good place and I can come to see them anytime I want. You've done so much for us.
Oh, please stop it. I wish I can do more. I wish I can take all of you with me. You know, I can't just sit and watch you people suffer. But you know I can do more than what I am doing now. Like you know, life has given me a fair share of the burden. So I can only do the little I can to help.
You're kind.
You're beautiful. These days I sleep and wake up with the thoughts of you in my mind. There's this burning urge to see you. I love you. Listen, I have loved you from the very moment I set my eyes on you. Tell you something. I have decided to take you in an apprentice, and you'll be living with us.
An apprentice?
Yes, Papa.
You want an apprentice? It's not too much work.
Yes, Papa. But you see, these days things seem to be good. It's just that I want to train somebody the way you trained me.
That's what you want. You want to get married and want a son.
Papa, I will get married in due time. But for now, I just need an apprentice.
Is it one of the children I hear you are saying?
Yes, Papa.
Your mother will never agree to that.
Papa, don't worry about my mother. She has no choice. I am in charge and I'm the one paying the bills.
We find it difficult to feed the way we are. How do you intend to cope with an extra amount to feed?
Papa, we have been managing, haven't we?
Now tell me, what's going on between you and Ola? Why have you not gone to see her father?
Papa, I don't think I want to continue that arrangement anymore. I don't love her. I mean, I never loved her. Right now, my heart is for another.
Is it the girl I hear about?
Yes, Papa. Papa, what do you expect that I do? Marry a woman I don't love? That would be so wrong. Papa, I will not be happy all the rest of my life. I will live in misery. And she won't even be happy because I will make life miserable for her. And I don't want to do that.
Love wanting love wanting Ijemuna love
Mama.
Anna.
It's a good thing you're here. I want to tell you something.
I have decided to take in an apprentice. Yes, and he will be living with us.
Mama, Chelo, you've decided to take in an apprentice and he will live with us.
Yes.
Eh? It's not possible.
Mama, I am just telling you, it's not like you have a choice. I have decided already. I'm just telling you as my mother.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I am sure that that apprentice must be from that girl's village.
Mama, yes, you are very sharp. He's one of our younger ones. Yes.
When they cannot walk. You want to bring him in this condition?
Yes.
Or not possible?
But Mama, I have told you, you don't have any choice, like I said. Mama, you will take care of him. Yes, you'll be feeding him just the same way you've been feeding everybody in this house.
Mama,
yes.
Feed him. Let me go and tell you.
No, Mama, wait. Where are you going? To tell my father?
Yes.
No, that one, there's no point now. I told him already. And he's okay with it.
You've told your father?
Yes.
And he's okay with it?
Very okay.
Hey! That foolish man! Nagibu, foolish and stupid. And that's the only good thing you inherited from him. Yes! You feel now you inherited something. Both of you are stupid and foolish. How can you tell me you bring in that girl's brother into my house for me to feed? Oh, man, it cannot happen. Ha! In short, I think I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to spoil that girl's name. I will go out there and tell everyone that she's an akwe. Do you know what akwe is? Akona. That's what she is. Yes! All the men out there. The ones with car, the ones without car, keke driver.
Stop. Mama, don't even try it. In fact, you will not even try it. Mama, see, if you try that thing, I will walk out from this house. I will leave you people alone. Anything that concerns you people, I will wash it off my hands. Yes! You people will stand in the room, begin to solve your problem by yourself. Okay. And when I am leaving this village, I will take our younger ones with me. See? Yes!
Oh,
no, Mama, try it!
Are you not ashamed of
Mama, spoil her name!
Your mates are busy. You see, girls are busy following your mates. Give my You're busy following a woman that has nothing. A woman that follows all the men. Keke driver, she's there. Bus driver, she's there. Bicycle driver, she's there. Even if you she's following you because you don't have a good car. That's why she's following you.
Hey. Ozemena. Cheluko. So you're in support of that your stupid son bringing in another mouth to be fed in this house? As if you don't know. You're supporting him. Have you ever wondered how we feed in this house? No, why ask you? All you do is lie down there, eat and sleep, all in the name of being sick. So you don't know how difficult it is to feed this house. That's why you're encouraging your stupid son to bring in a stranger to be fed. If only you had encouraged him to marry that girl. Hey, you can bring in all the mouths, then we'll feed them. Maramba, you will not advise him, but you will encourage him to bring in an extra mouth. Let me tell you, you will starve because I will give your portion to that child. Yes, I will give it to him. He must not all the time. Say something because you can talk. Nonsense.
Show you where you sleep.
There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the field is level for every toil and the labor through the time and the seasons bears a fruit for every laborer. So let's fix this broken world. Let's heal this open wound. Putting love in every heart. Building life in every home. Let's fix this broken system. Let's heal this sickening world. We can make it a better place for every man to have a chance. Ooh. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the weak becomes allergic to defeat, and the strong become supportive to the weak, so together they triumph. Ooh. There shall be no more mouth to feed. When together we unite to defeat every obstacle we face, every challenge is before us, right in front of us.
Stop crying. You can't continue like this. Unless you just want to get down. Hey. You're crying will bring him back. You want join and I'm crying with you. It's okay. Hey. Watch him back.
Why now? Papa, why now? Why did you have to die now? Where do I get the money for your burial? Eh? You saw the situation of things here and yet you choose to die adding to my problems. What is this? Hi. What is this? Hey.
Oh no, Chinna. You remember what the elders said about your father's burial rites? As an ozo, of course. But we will bury his body. And 7 days later, we will do the burial rites. Now, how do you intend to do that? I mean, raise the money for the burial rites. Because if it is not done, Eba akanso wudi pona.
Mama,
I don't know.
Huh. You see, you don't know. You don't know about answer. You had better know. Okay. You know who to go and see. Eh? Olaku. Jeffrey. And the sooner you go, the better. Because if this thing, if it doesn't take place, so think about it and think seriously. Osema, I don't know. I'm okay, no. Olaku.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry I've not come to see you in a while now.
It's okay. I understand. I'm sorry about your father. I wanted to come, but how are you?
Well, how are the children?
They're asleep. You look troubled.
Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must
There is something I want to talk to you about. It's about something I need to do. You'll probably hear about it in the next few days. It might upset you, but I have searched for a way out, but there is none. Mama, no matter what I do, and no matter what you hear, you will always have my heart. And as long as I live, as long as I breathe, my heart will always be with you.
There is a process that every man must go through to fulfill your destiny. You must pass the stage now. I must relate. I must relate. I must relate. Let the rain from
welfare. She must have been treating you well.
You won't have her treat me otherwise. Are you going to be alright?
Why?
Mama, you must have heard. He's going to marry her.
Yes, I heard.
I had thought he was going to marry you.
It won't be easy for him, with all of us. He has his own burdens too. It will be unfair to him.
That's true. Has he been hunting for rabbits in the king's land?
No, he's not good at it. And I'm afraid, what if he gets caught by the king's guard?
You worry too much. He won't. Eze is very, very smart. I will get the trap and teach him how to hunt for rabbits. And I promise you, by the time he learns very well, he will supply you with meat every day. Don't worry, let me go and call Eze. Let me get the trap and teach him. Oh. Eze! Eze!
am back! OMG, bro, come out. Come right out, bro. What's up with your swag? Real bad.
Are you sure Father will be happy to see us?
Of course not. That's why he sent us away. But we're back. Back in flesh and blood.
Is that what you think?
Of course you know I'm right.
I think you just did a special way of showing us love.
Aw, boo-boo kitty twinny. Now let me break this down to you. Stop spinning for father's love. I'm gonna get you nowhere. Well, you know what? Let's just get in there and find out. No, don't smile at them. You are royal. They are peasants. Bitches, get my bag. Yes, ma'am. Good day, Father.
Okay.
Father.
It's a good. I can see you still calm before the father. Let you come out of your sister's shadow and stand as a man. Come on.
It's nice to see you, Father.
Wow. It's been a minute, Father.
Nice to see you too. Much more than a minute. Now, both of you, for as long as you will stay here, you will learn to conduct yourselves with absolute decorum. Nothing less. Am I understood?
Mm-hmm.
Great. I'll see you both at dinner. Freshen up.
All right, Father.
Have a nice day, Father.
He's not having a nice day. He's here with us.
Whatever. I told you, didn't I?
Oh yeah, you did.
Let's go freshen up.
Hey!
Are you stupid?
I do go.
Sorry.
How would you do that?
She poured water on me.
It was a mistake. Come on.
A mistake? Bitch, you poured water on me.
Hey, you must apologize to her.
Hell no, Father, I won't do that.
Apologize to her.
No, I won't.
Apologize now. And where do you think you're going?
I've lost my appetite.
Go clean up. Sister is unbelievable.
Take this thing.
Oh, there you are.
It is my thing.
Yeah, how are you? Excuse us.
It's my thing.
Father was looking for you at breakfast. Why weren't you at the table?
Why? So he can humiliate me the more? Were you not there when he humiliated me? He humiliated me in front of that scum. Apologies, he said. To a peasant. A peasant. Huh.
Twinnie, you were rather too harsh, don't you think?
Excuse me. Hello? Look, I hope you know playing the good boy won't get father to love you.
So who's playing the good boy?
Excuse me, brother. Don't you know that he finds it rather repulsive and wishes that you were a girl and not a man? Oh my gosh, I hate this place! I can't wait to go back to London. No wonder mother ran away from him. And now he punishes us for that. That is why he sent us to Auntie Mary in London. Can't you see that?
Well, you can run away from your father's house. I think we should, take a walk so you can lift off whatever burden you have on your mind. Alright?
No.
That would do us lots of good.
That's fine. Anywhere aside this place, I'm fine.
Twinnie, it's alright.
I'm good with that.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, come back.
It's so boring here. Nothing to do. Bro, why don't we go to the king's farmland and hunt?
Are we going to hunt with our hands? We got nothing for hunting, bro.
Oh well, we could just look around or something. What do you think?
Not a bad idea.
Of course it's not. I don't give bad ideas.
Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must
Why don't you look for a stick and go walking there and know what it is? It's part of the hunting. Let's go know what is in there. Go bro, let's go. Let's go find out. Come on, don't be a sister, you're a bro. Oh, look at that. Just look at that.
What's that?
Oh, fine. Oh. Who's there?
That's human.
Human? Come out! Come right out! Come out! Come out!
Could be.
Now, who are you? Who are you?
Sorry. Please.
You're sorry. Do you realize that you could be punished for this? Oh, you know.
Hey, come on, sister. He is just a child.
Oh, no, bro. I will not take this. If I allow him go, him and his cohort will come back here and do the same.
So what do you want us to do with him?
Oh,
He's just a child.
Bro, I have the perfect idea of what we should do. I am going to punish him.
No.
You gotta beat your ass. Beat it.
Stop!
No!
What's wrong with you?
I need to deal with him.
Let him go! What is wrong with you? You're such a bully.
And who is this? Who are you? And how dare you?
He's a child. You should know that.
How dare you talk to me in that manner? Let go. Are you letting her go? Are you letting her go? She pushed me. Are you watching her go?
She didn't push you. She only twisted your hands and you couldn't fight back.
You didn't fight me back.
Hey,
I am gonna kill her. I will look for where she is and I'll kill her. I will look for her.
You gotta take it easy, look at your heels. I bet you're gonna fall down with that speed. Alright, listen up, you're gonna fall. I promise you that with your heels, you will fall down flat, sister.
What is this that I hear about you, Adugo? Can you explain?
I'm afraid, Father, I do not know what to speak of.
Did you at any time take some gas to the outskirts of this kingdom to destroy your heart? Can you deny that?
No, Father. I cannot deny it.
Why would you get yourself involved in such a despicable act? Sometimes you seem to forget who you are and the family you represent. Do you know what you caused? You almost killed a little child who was lying inside that hut.
Like I care! Father, what do I care? I did that to teach her a damn good lesson. Oh yeah? She dead hit me, Father. She hits me! I mean, hunting in the king's farm is an offense. You know that, and I know that, everybody knows that.
I know all that. The girl also confirmed that her brother was hunting in the king's farmland. I also understand that the boy in question is a little child.
Father,
what has come over you?
Father, she struck me. Yeah.
I'm sorry you hit her first. She was only defending herself.
Duh! She lied! Oh my gosh, she lied! She lied, Father!
Really?
Yeah!
That makes your brother a liar too. Because he confirmed her story.
Yo!
Now listen to me, and listen clearly. I forbid you to ever go anywhere near that hut. Not just that, you will not leave the walls of this planet for the time you're going to be here. If you don't know how to conduct yourself like a lady, I will be forced to teach you how to do so.
No, Father! No! You cannot forbid me from going outside this walls. No! I cannot be confined to this palace! No! I will just run mad staying in this place!
Well, that makes the two of us. I will run mad with you. Because the mere thought of you staying here all this while is going to haunt me. You know what? Get out. Get out of my presence. And you too.
To think we both shared the same womb. You disgust me.
Now get out! The future of my household troubles me. I fear there will be none to take over when I am gone. Twins. I have never liked the idea of having twins. They could only be half of their true selves. The man would have too much of the woman in him, and the woman too much of the man in her. Reason Zuko is so weak, cowers before me like a little girl, always hiding behind his sister, allowing her bend him to her will. And Adugo, Adugo, so wild, so ruthless. If then only she were the boy, I fear for the man who will take her as a wife. I fear more that I do not have a worthy heir. I need an heir to the throne.
Look what I found. Bro.
I'm not going to open the
Say what? Come on, bro. Don't be a sissy. Look, we've been locked up here for days. We should celebrate our freedom.
Bro, I cannot wait to pop this rosé. I am telling you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Woo! Girl, I like this ring. Okay. I'm gonna drink this first. Bro, you're gonna have to take from my drink too.
No, I'm not gonna be a part of it.
Come on, bro, don't be a sissy. Don't be a little girl.
No, I'm not a little girl.
Then try it. Prove it. Come on, bro. Come on. I know you like it. I know you like it.
Not a little girl.
You're not. Come on, prove it. Drink up, drink up. Drink up. No, before. No, wait. Hold on. Let's cheers to freedom.
Which freedom? We're locked up in this house, baby sister. We ain't going nowhere.
Oh, no, babe. We're gonna leave here pretty soon. So let's cheers.
The guards are not gonna let us out. Don't forget that.
Hell to the no. I want to see that food that would stop us from leaving here. Let's cheers.
To freedom.
To freedom, bro! I'm telling you! Finish it. Go on. Drink up. Don't be a little girl. Drink up.
Not a little girl.
So finish up. Finish it up. Finish it up. Go, girl. Go. So I drink mine too. Drink up. Drink.
No, I'm done already.
Drink up.
No, I'm okay.
Bro! Come on. Don't do this to me. Drink up. Finish it up.
I'm done already.
It's not... Okay, that's fine. So finish it.
What's going on?
Come on, you're not a little girl, right? You said it.
Yeah, I'm not a little girl.
Good, so I drink up myself too. That's what I'm talking about. So let's go. Let's go.
This is too much for
It's
me.
not. Ah, it tastes like heaven. Oh my God. But you know what? It looks like a beautiful day, so we're gonna go out there and take a walk. What do you think?
Don't forget that the guards won't let us out. I promise you that.
I want to see that fool that would stop us.
Dad must have instructed them not to let us out.
He wants to know of it. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, bro. Let us go. Oh. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Come, bro. I want to have some fun.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean.
Out of my way, bitch.
I'm at the end. Just a step off. If only you could move back.
Yo! Bro, did you hear this, bitch? I should move back. Like, who are you?
Please, can you just save yourself all of this stress and kindly move back for my sister to pass?
I won't. I'm within my rights. It's a long walk back.
You're within your rights. It's a long walk back. Are you crazy or something? I said move your ass back, bitch. Are you stupid? What's wrong with you? Are you mad?
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, bro. I know you like that shit. Come on, she's just a peasant. She's a nobody. She has no son name. Now you give it to her like you always do. Yo, don't be a sissy. Go do it. Go, bro. Go, bro. Go, bro. Go.
You are a scum.
Jeez.
And you'll be treated as such.
Ouch, Father.
Filth. The devil has gotten hold of your soul. And you'll be going off to the convent. Where they will purge that your Stupid heart of the devil.
Father, I'm sorry, okay? We didn't know what we were doing. We've been drinking.
You've been doing what?
Yes,
Father, we took your best wine and we didn't know what exactly we were doing.
Oh, shut your mouth. You knew what you were doing when you destroyed that hut. You knew what you were doing when you beat up that little child. You knew what you were doing today. You knew it. And you could have stopped that stupid action of yours. But no, you wouldn't. You pushed your brother into it because he wouldn't have done it by himself. You know he has no willpower of his own. So you constantly bend him and manipulate him to doing your own will.
Father, guess what? I ain't going to no convent, okay? I want to go back. I want to go back to London.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Very well then. You will be going back to Zaria.
What?
Yes. I've already spoken to the bishop and arrangements are on already. Dad,
Yes, Your Highness.
take her into that room and lock her up there. All her maids are to be dismissed. Food will be taken to her. Take her away. Get out of my sight now. Come back here, you. Come back here. Come back here. I'm not going to say it again. Come back here. Come back here. You have to learn to stand up like a man. Go and get your things packed. You'll be leaving tomorrow.
Leaving to where, Father?
You are going back to London. Get out. Stupid.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
You came? Brother. Didn't you hear what I said?
No, I didn't. Sorry.
What is going on? I noticed that you've not been paying attention to this job. And you need to pay attention to this job. Huh? You that I know, you are always eager to learn. But for the past week now, I don't know what is taking your time. Is there something wrong? Or are you tired of this job?
No. But I'm not tired of the job. I'm sorry, I didn't hear you when you called.
What is the problem? Oh, is it about my mother? Is she treating you badly? Huh? Or my wife, is she maltreating you?
No.
Then what is it now? Oh, okay, have I done anything wrong?
It's not about you, brother.
Then it's about who? Listen, I know Oma is not happy. But you see, you are too young to understand some certain things. Sometimes I just wish I could do things differently.
It's not about you, brother.
Then it's about who?
She was raped.
What did you say?
She was raped. She was raped by the prince on her way from the stream.
When did this happen?
Some weeks ago. I only heard about it last week.
When do we become so allergic to defeat? And the strong become supportive to the weaker. I'm a citizen, I'm a busy now. I'm a citizen, I'm a busy now. I'm a citizen, I'm a busy now. I'm a citizen, I'm a busy now.
He will pay for this, even if it's the last thing I will do. I don't care if he's the prince or not.
Let it go. It's none of your business.
Mama, someone needs to stand up for you.
It's not you.
Then who if not me?
It's not your fight. Not anymore. Let it go. It will only bring you trouble.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate, I must let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of our misery, tears of our misery, tears of our misery, tears of our misery. Alright. If life tries stone up, carry and build house. And if life sets you on fire, I beg you remember God. There is a process that every man must go through to fulfill your destiny. You must pass the stage now. I must relate, I must relate, I must relate. Whatever you let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and suffering.
Sister, he sent me to bring this. There is bushmeat inside the bag too. He said I should tell you that he has found a place back home.
Where is that?
It's a rich family in the neighboring village. He had done some work for them and probably found out that they need a female help. So he told them about Ako. He said I should also tell you that in case they need to see Ako, you should come with her. Sister, I thought you would be happy to hear this news. It's one less mouth to feed.
I'm happy. You should go back. You've stayed too long. Come, I'll see you off. Ako. Eze, take the things inside.
When life goes on, let's go. Hurry and build house. Live life before you are tired. Hurry and bath clean.
King, there's something I have to tell you.
Okay.
I think I'm pregnant. You know it's not my fault. You know that, don't you?
Hi. Hey. Sister, how are you going to cope?
I don't know. But somehow I have to.
Sister, do you want me to tell him about it?
You're coming from there again, aren't you?
Coming from where?
Oh, please. Don't pretend like you don't know what I'm talking about. Or you take me for a fool. You are coming from there.
Yes, but I'm coming from there.
You've got to take care of responsibility.
Responsibility?
Don't tell me you don't know. She is pregnant. Surprise. Maybe the baby is even worse. With the way you go in and out of her heart, what do you expect? You see that story about a prince raping her? Hey! Story.
Mama, you're pushing me too far. If you continue like this, that thing that I told you I will do. Which is? I will do it. I will bring her and her siblings to this house. And nothing will happen.
And you know that thing I told you I will do? I will kill them one by one. And nothing will happen. Anyway, for your information, Olo Ako has heard.
I know you have heard that the girl is with a child. I also know that you've heard that I am always around her.
But the truth is, no matter what you've heard, I didn't do it.
Olochi, I haven't.
I know you've not said anything, but you've thought about it. It's a suspicion in your mind. But believe me when I say that that pregnancy is not mine.
Well,
I do. I believe you. But trust me, I wouldn't blame you for talking to her. She's young, she's pretty. But me, the only thing I have is my father's business and what comes with it. So it's fine. Huh? Look at me. Look at me. It's fine. You hear me? Look at me. Look at me. It's fine. You hear me? So, why don't you just come to Mama? You know, I really missed you. Like, a lot. You know I do, right? Okay.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I am very sure. I saw her clearly. As a matter of fact, the pregnancy is now visible. I first heard about it from the girls, but now I have confirmed it.
Then, I want you to walk across to our boat tomorrow. Make acquaintances with her. I want to know when the baby is expected.
Oh, consider it done, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I have to go now.
Thank you.
Not the wait. My boy, my boy. You like it? Yes. Okay. This big man. Thank you very much. Wow. Small boy. Yes. So that's all for you. Thanks,
You all should go and pray. Easy, take them.
Okay. Let's go.
So, ask the madam. This was for me. Yes. You know, I thought you were going to try them to see if it fit. You know, I could barely guess the size. Have you thought of where to get help from when the time comes?
Never thought of that.
I know of a woman. Her name is Unuko. She's very good. And she lives very close to this place. No, Oma, please don't feel like this. I was only trying to make you happy.
I am happy.
Then why are you crying? Listen, Oma, I love you. You know that, right? I love you so much. I had to marry Ulako. Yes, but I am sure you know why I did that, right? If I had my way, I would take all of you out of this place. I would even take the baby inside of you too. But right now I am handicapped because of the responsibilities I have back home. It will be unfair to bring you into this life of suffering. Please, you staying here will help me take care of you, the little I can. I hope you understand.
I do.
One more thing. Do you love me as much as I love you?
Precious, we keep busy night and I'ma sit late, I'ma sit and want your mind. We keep busy night, chica come out. Oh.
Hold on. I want to help you. I hope you don't mind. You see, you look so tired. A woman in your condition shouldn't be doing this. Let me help.
Thank you. But wouldn't it be taking you out of your way?
No, not at all. Not at all. It's heavy.
It is. Thank you.
Let's go.
You've been so kind to me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Can I trouble you for a cup of water?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your hospitality.
You're welcome.
I have to start going. Am I free to visit you anytime I like?
Of course. Please. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Let me see you.
No, don't worry. Don't bother. Relax.
Thank you.
I'll find my way.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water,
Your Highness, I was not able to find out the exact time the child will be born. But from the look of things, it won't take long. But I have watered the ground, so visiting her won't be a problem for me.
Well, that's good enough. But Dickie, tell me, how do you see this girl?
Well, Your Highness, she's a modest girl. Very hardworking.
I see. I'm sure you make yourself available to always be in contact with her whenever you're there.
Okay.
At least that will help me get all the information that I seek and answers to all that I want to.
Okay. Okay, Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
By the tears of all my misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery. Alright. If life throw you stone up, carry and build house, and if life sets you on fire, I better remember code. There is a process.
Stop, please. I said stop. I am tired.
What is it? This is what you always say. You're tired. You hardly even touch me. You don't even look at me. Onochie, don't forget I am a woman. I have needs, I have desires, I have blood flowing through my veins. And most importantly, I want to carry my own child in my own womb. How is that ever going to happen when you don't perform your duties? How? Obi.
Will you just stop? I am tired. Huh?
You didn't even touch your food.
I'm not hungry.
At least eat a little.
Fine.
Good afternoon, Mama. Are you alright? You look troubled.
Please, did you see my brother on your way there? I sent him to go get firewood, but he has taken so much time.
Listen, you know your condition. You don't need to stress yourself. Okay? You'll be fine. I know he must be coming back by now. Relax.
He's taking so much time.
He will soon be back. Relax. Okay? Okay. I told you. He's there.
Eze, what took you so long? You made me worried.
I could not find dry firewood in the bush nearby, so I went inside.
Oh, I thought as much.
Please don't go too far into the bush next time. You might get lost. I don't want you to get lost.
Okay. He's such a strong boy.
Thank you. I really...
Are you okay?
No, No, I think the baby is coming. Eze! Eze, not to move. Come bring her. The baby is coming.
Run! It's okay. Let's go inside. It's okay.
Oh.
Yes! Boy!
When life throw you stone, no, carry a build house. If life before you a time, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, don't cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate. I must be whatever you're miserable. Let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of all misery, tears of all misery.
I've never seen them in such a happy mood. Ever since he came, he has brought so much joy, so much laughter. He makes them so happy.
He's beautiful.
Yes, he is. And he's mine. All mine.
You just have to take care of yourselves, huh? I have to start going.
Okay.
I will come often to check how you're faring.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank
you. And you're always welcome.
I must relate. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you're miserable. Let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and suffering. Tears and suffering.
DK.
Your Highness.
It's been over a month since that baby arrived. I want you to go back there to see the girl and take a very good look at the child and see if there's any semblance anywhere.
Your Majesty, I have been visiting her since she gave birth. As a matter of fact, I'm just coming from there.
Really?
Yes. The semblance is unmistakable. You can easily know the father of the child by looking at the baby's nose.
Okay, is it possible to bring the child here, say, at night?
Your Majesty, that won't be possible. The woman is strong-willed and she's always with the child.
So, how do you propose I see the child? Anyway, just tell the woman to bring the child to see me. Say tomorrow afternoon at the palace. Should be possible.
Okay, Your Majesty.
I don't care who you are or what you are. I am not taking him to the palace. He's mine and I am keeping him.
Please, listen to me.
You lied to me. All this while and you lied to me about who you really are.
First of all, will you believe me when I tell you that within this period I have known you, I have come to respect you. I respect you so much that I will not contemplate doing anything that will add to your burden. Instead, I will go out of my way to lighten it.
By taking him away from me?
Think about this. He is the king. He is very powerful. He has ways and means of getting whatever he wants. And a situation like yours offers him numerous ways and means. But try and understand. It's just for a moment. I'm not saying you should let him out of your arms, no. It's for a moment. And I assure you, it's going to be just the king there.
You won't try to take him away from me?
No.
Or do something that I won't be able to keep him?
Not at all. The king is a good man. He's a man of principle. What he did to his children when that incident happened attests to that. There is nothing to fear. I assure you.
What time did you say?
Who's that? When life throw you stone, no. Carry and build house. If life before you a time, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, don't cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate. I must let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of our misery, tears of our misery, tears of our misery, tears of our misery. Alright.
The child, is he well?
Yes, Your Highness. Very well.
Have you been with any other man before my son? I forgot himself as to take you.
No, Your Highness. I haven't been with any man, nor do I wish to. Our father brought us up to be responsible.
May I see the child? What did you name him?
Ichezona. That was my father's name.
Would you want to part with the child?
No, Your Highness. I will not. Not for anything.
You will be greatly rewarded.
I don't want anything but him. No one will take him away from me.
Are you willing to leave the child with me? I'll care for him. And during that time, you'll be placed on a monthly pay of 50,000 naira. Well, I can double that. I'll make it 100,000 naira. I understand your family needs a lot of money. And you need all the money you can get. This is your chance.
I'm sorry. I can't part with him for any amount. If I could do this, I would. But I can't. Your Highness, will you permit me to go now?
You may leave.
Let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and
How are you getting on? Hope they're treating you well.
Yes. Oh, look, I got something for you.
tears and suffering.
Let me see now.
Stop, Ola. Where did you get this from?
The young mistress, she just came back from the city, so she gave this to me and the other girls too.
Really? She did?
Yes, and the other girls too.
Why? This is beautiful.
I want you to have it.
Are you sure? You don't want to keep this?
No, take it. I want you to have beautiful things, Auntie Elma.
Thank you so much. We'll have to get going. Before they scold you for getting home late.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Greet your mistress for me.
From the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums, by the tears of our misery,
There is no need for him to be sending you here. No matter what he says, I wouldn't do it.
The king has ways and means. If he decides to take up this matter, you wouldn't have a leg to stand on.
He is mine.
I know. But remember, he's also the king's grandson.
I don't care. I won't do it. I won't give him up. But he is all I have.
You will marry and...
No, I won't. No man will take me now.
Listen, the king has offered to pay you well. You won't lack any more. You will have enough to take care of your younger ones. 100,000 naira is no joke. You wouldn't lack any more.
It won't make any difference even if he promised $1 million. Tell him that.
Good day. Are you Oma Aku's sister?
Yes, I am. I hope there is no problem.
It's about Aku, your sister.
What happened to her? I hope she's okay.
She's in trouble.
Trouble? What kind of trouble?
She was caught stealing and I've been sent to call you.
Aku stole? How could she? Our parents taught us not to touch anything that does not belong to us. And I always told them that.
Yeah, please, can you come with me?
Okay. Let's go.
You're welcome. You look tired and troubled. You must have walked a long distance.
I'm coming from
Oh, that's a long way. In that case, I will leave you to rest and come back some other time to see you. See you.
Wait. Please, can you sit for a moment?
Okay.
You're in trouble.
What trouble?
It's my sister, Ako. She's working for a rich family at Tivoli. She's been stealing.
Stealing?
It's not her. It's the other girl living with them. She stole a necklace from the young mistress and gave it to her. She couldn't have taken it because she knew she stole it from the young mistress. When the young mistress started looking for it, she found it under the bed. So they sent for me. She's threatening to lock them up. They couldn't even allow me see her. They're a rich family. I'm scared of what they might do to her. Is there any way you can help her? Help us?
This is serious. Which family in Ibolo?
Idejogu.
Hey! They are a very influential and rich family. I must say that I can't be of help. I don't have such powers.
Only the king can influence this case.
What are you doing here this late?
Beauty, I was worried about what you told me yesterday. I spoke to the king about it. Like I told you earlier, only somebody who is as powerful as he can handle this matter. The good news is that the king agreed to do something. But he wants something in return. And I know exactly what it is.
No. You won't.
Okay, listen. I tried my best. I only wanted to help. The king said I should let you know that his initial offer is still open. 100,000 naira monthly for you. I must add that the king is running out of patience. Should you agree, the gate of the palace is open. Good night.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate. I must relate. Let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery. All right.
Look.
If life destroy stone, no. Bury and build house. And if life sets you on fire, I better remember gold. There is a process that every man must go through to fulfill your...
I understand your sister is in trouble.
Yes, Your Highness.
You don't have to worry about that anymore. Can I see him? You don't have to worry about him. He'll be taken care of. I understand this is not going to be easy for you. But don't forget, I'm his grandfather, he's my grandson. And I want him to be treated as such. My offer to you still stands. Is there anything you want to ask? Dad, get the money.
Your Highness.
Take the baby.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed.
Would you want to have some refreshment?
When the field is level for everyone to till, and the labor through the time and the seasons bears a fruit.
Sweet piece of necklace. You got him. Sweet piece of necklace.
We can make it a better place for every man to have a chance. Ooh. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the weak becomes allergic to defeat, and the strong becomes
selling my child. I wonder where I should share my child. I thought prostitution pays better.
Please, let's go. Tears and suffering. Oh yeah. I must relate. I must let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums, by the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery. Hold on. Oh yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed when every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed when the field is level for everyone to till, and the labor through the time and the seasons bears a fruit for every laborer. So let's fix this broken world. Let's heal this open wound. Putting love in every heart. Build